With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a cylinder is rolling down on an inclined plane of inclination 60 degree. What is its acceleration? This is our inclined plane of inclination 60 degree. This is our solid cylinder rolling down the inclined plane. The distance covered by this cylinder is S, and here the height, let's say, is h here. Now when this, let's say, comes downward, we can say here this speed is v, and for pure rolling condition we can say here this is omega, and here we need to find the acceleration. Initial velocity here is given to be 0, so at these 2 points we can apply mechanical energy conservation. Hence we have here initial potential plus initial kinetic energy is equal to final potential plus, we can say here, as final kinetic energy. So initial potential energy at the topmost position is mg into h, and initial kinetic energy is 0. Final potential energy at the bottommost point will be 0, and final kinetic energy here will be translational plus rotational, that is, we can say as half mv square plus we have here as half I omega square. So we can say here this mgh will be written here as, we can say, is equal to our half m into v square plus, for solid cylinder we can say moment of inertia is given as mr square divided by, we can say, as 2, and for pure rolling we have here as v equal to r omega. So omega comes as v by r, hence this is v square divided by r square. So we can say here this simplifies as mgh is equal to, we have here taking mv square common, hence this comes to be 1 by 2, and here this comes as 1 by 4. So m and m cancels out, hence value of v square, let's say, can be simplified as gh is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4 into v square. So we have here v square as 4 by 3 into, we can say here, as g into h. Now here we can write this acceleration for, let's say, here initial velocity is given, final velocity is given, this is moving with uniform acceleration. So we have here as v square equal to u square plus 2as. We need to find the linear acceleration. V square value is our 4gh by 3. Initial velocity here is 0, and acceleration we need to find out, and displacement s in terms of height h can be written here as sine 60 is equal to our, let's say, in the diagram we can see sine 60 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, hence s can be written here as h upon, we can say here, sine of 60 degree. Now this here simplifies to our cancelling h with h, we can see here this h and h cancels out. So we have here as 4g upon 3 is equal to, this here comes as 2a, sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2, hence 2 and 2 cancels out. So acceleration value here comes out to be, let's say, g divided by root under 3. So acceleration value is g by root 3, which is option number 2. Hence we can say here 2 is the correct answer. So 2 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.